Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and today they're knocking down the McDonald's here in Wildwood. I mean, look at this. Half of the building is already gone. I wanted to go ahead and get the drone up in the air for you guys to give you kind of like a bird's eye view of the demolition because it looks really cool and I don't want to get any closer. Now, for those who don't know, we're going to get brand new McDonald's. So that's why they're knocking this down. And last week, they actually had the police and fire rescue do a couple drills out here, which was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get the bird in the sky before the crews come in and knock it down completely. I believe today, this whole part over here is going to come down. So let's get started. So there you guys go. What do you guys think? Isn't it cool to kind of see this get knocked down and rebuilt? I mean, this thing has been here. I mean, it's like one of the original McDonald's, if you remember. I don't think they build them anymore with the red roofs like this. So I'm excited for this new McDonald's. It's always nice to see new development here in Wildwood, especially when it's kind of just replacing the same thing. But I'm going to go. You guys have a great day. Please subscribe to our channel, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you later.